Man, if you're a programmer, it feels like a new must-have AI tool drops pretty much every single week. So today we're going to cut through all that noise and figure out what's really going to be essential in 2025.
You've seen these headlines everywhere, right? It's the big question that's probably keeping a lot of developers up at night. What are the tools that I absolutely need to know to stay ahead of the curve? But hang on, before we just start rattling off a list of brand names, let's ask a much better question. What actually makes an AI tool indispensable? Is it just the brand, the hype, or is it something, a little deeper? And that's exactly what this is all about. We're going way beyond just a simple list. We're going to give you a framework for the future, a whole new way to think about the AI tools you'll be using day in and day out.
So here's the big idea right up front. Forget about trying to memorize which company makes which tool. The real key, the thing you need to grasp, is understanding the fundamental programming tasks that these tools are completely turning on their head.
And we're going to use a really simple, but honestly super powerful framework to do it. For any tool, first we'll ask what's the core job it's trying to do, then how exactly is AI fitting in, and finally, what is the real tangible impact on your work? This way you can evaluate any new tool that comes your way. All right, first up, let's talk about the category that's already a staple for so many people, the AI code copilot. You can kind of think of it as your autocomplete, but on super steroids. At its heart, a copilot is this intelligent partner that lives right there inside your code editor. And it's not just suggesting the next word or line. No, it's actually trying to anticipate what you want to do, it's understanding the context, and it's generating entire blocks of working code for you.
And just think about how ridiculously practical these tasks are. You write a simple comment describing what a function should do, and boom, the AI just writes it for you. Or maybe you need to convert a piece of code from Python over to JavaScript. Done, instantly. It's all about removing that friction between the idea in your head and the actual code on the screen. Okay, let's move on to our next essential category, because this is where things start to get really interesting: the automated bug hunter. This is all about shifting from reacting to bugs to, well, preventing them from ever happening. And this right here shows the massive shift. Come on, we've all been there. The pain of manual debugging, setting breakpoints, scrolling through endless logs, just that frustrating hunt for what went wrong. Well, the AI approach just flips that whole script. It analyzes your code to predict potential bugs and can often pinpoint the root cause of an error in seconds and even suggest the exact fix. And the impact here is just huge. I mean, sure, you fix bugs faster and your code quality definitely goes up, but you know what the real prize is? It's the time you get back. Every single hour you're not hunting down a misplaced semicolon is another hour you can spend on what really matters, designing and building cool new stuff.
So let's put it all together. When you combine a copilot that helps write the code with a bug hunter that cleans it up for you, what do you get? Well, you get a fundamental change not just in your workflow, but in your actual role as a programmer.
Your focus is just completely shifting. The time and mental energy you used to burn on that low-level repetitive coding and all that tedious debugging, that's plummeting. And that focus, it moves upwards towards high-level architecture, system design, creative problem solving. Essentially, the AI starts handling the how, which frees you up to focus on the what and the why.
And this all leads to the ultimate endgame here. It's not about making you a faster coder. It's about evolving you from a coder into an architect. You become the one who designs the blueprints, not just the one laying the bricks. Your value moves up into your vision and your ability to orchestrate all these powerful tools.
So you see, these aren't just utilities in a toolbox anymore. They are becoming genuine partners in the creative process. So as we look ahead to 2025, the most important question isn't which brand of tool to use. It's how are you going to work with them? What kind of partner will you choose to be?